Beetroot, a vibrant and nutritious vegetable, offers a myriad of health benefits that extend beyond its pleasing appearance. Hailing from the same family as sugar beets, beetroot is strikingly red or gold and is nutritionally distinct from its pale counterpart. In this video, we delve into the numerous ways in which beetroot can improve your well-being, from promoting heart health to aiding in digestion and even potentially preventing cancer. Heart health and blood pressure. High blood pressure, a major risk factor for cardiovascular disease, can have serious health consequences. Fortunately, beetroot may offer a natural solution. A study involving 68 individuals with hypertension discovered that consuming 250 milliliters of beetroot juice daily significantly reduced blood pressure. This antihypertensive effect is attributed to the high nitrate content in beet juice. While beetroot can be a valuable addition to a heart-healthy diet, individuals should never discontinue prescribed blood pressure medications without consulting a healthcare professional. Diabetes management. Beetroot contains alpha-lipoic acid, an antioxidant that can help lower glucose levels and enhance insulin sensitivity. In a 2019 review of studies, researchers observed that alpha-lipoic acid supplements reduced symptoms of diabetic neuropathy. However, the doses used in these studies exceeded the amounts typically found in beetroot, so the effects of smaller dietary doses remain uncertain. Digestion and regularity. Fiber plays a crucial role in maintaining smooth digestion and gut health. A single cup of beetroot provides 3.81 grams of fiber, which can help you meet your daily requirements. By incorporating beetroot into your diet, you can increase your fiber intake, fostering better digestive health. Exercise and athletic performance. Beetroot juice has gained attention for its potential to improve oxygen absorption in muscles during exercise. A 2019 study found that high doses of beetroot juice enhanced the performance of experienced cyclists. However, another study from the same year did not yield the same results for recreationally active female volunteers. Further research is necessary to confirm the effects of beetroot on exercise performance. Cancer prevention. Beetroot contains compounds like betalain, which is an antioxidant and pigment responsible for its red or yellow color. A 2019 review of studies suggests that these compounds can disrupt cancerous cell mutations. While beetroot cannot replace standard cancer risk reduction methods, it may contribute to lowering the risk of this devastating disease. You can enjoy the nutritional benefits of beets in various ways. Make beetroot juice by blending peeled beets with fresh orange, mint, pineapple, apples, lemon, and ginger. Strain the mixture for a smoother texture. Grate or slice raw beets to add to coleslaw or salads. Top roasted beets with goat's cheese for a delightful pairing. Slice raw beets and serve them with lemon juice and a sprinkle of chili powder. When choosing beetroot, look for those that are heavy for their size and free of surface damage. If the beets still have fresh green tops, they are not only edible but also highly nutritious. To store beets, refrigerate them in a tightly sealed bag to keep them fresh for several days. Incorporating beetroot into your diet can be a delicious and nutritious way to support your overall health, from cardiovascular well-being to digestion and more.